Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
In this era of unprecedented change, the synergy between entrepreneurship and technology stands as a beacon of progress. Entrepreneurship is the engine of growth, driving forward through innovation and adaptation. Technology, its indispensable ally, provides the tools that transform vision into reality. Consider the rise of mobile technology. It has revolutionized the way we do business, obliterating traditional barriers to entry and enabling even the smallest venture to have a global reach. This democratization of business opportunities fosters a more inclusive economy, where anyone with an idea and a smartphone can become a key player. Concurrently, technology thrives on the challenges presented by entrepreneurial endeavors. Each new startup idea prompts technological advances as solutions to real-world problems, further fueling the cycle of innovation. As we look to the future, remember that entrepreneurship coupled with technology holds the power not just to create businesses, but to solve some of humanity's most pressing issues.
Today, I'm thrilled to share insights into the mysterious and largely unexplored deep ocean. This vast and enigmatic part of our planet holds secrets that scientists are only beginning to understand. The deep ocean is home to some of the most unusual and fascinating creatures. These species have adapted to extreme conditions of darkness, cold, and high pressure. For instance, the anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure, is a testament to the unique adaptations required for survival in such an environment. Furthermore, the deep sea plays a crucial role in our planet's health. It's a major carbon sink, helping to regulate the Earth's climate. The deep-sea ecosystems also contribute to the cycling of nutrients, essential for supporting life both in the ocean and on land. In conclusion, the deep ocean is not just a place of darkness and mystery, it's a vital part of our world, with profound implications for environmental science and biology. As we continue to explore these depths, we unlock more of Earth's hidden wonders.
Whose contributions were crucial to understanding the structure of DNA. Her story is a powerful reminder of the impact of perseverance and dedication in scientific discovery. Rosalyn Franklin's expertise in X-ray crystallography led to the famous Photo 51, a critical piece of evidence in determining the double helix structure of DNA. Her meticulous and precise approach provided key insights that were essential for this groundbreaking discovery. Yet, her contributions were initially overshadowed and only gained recognition posthumously. Franklin's work extends beyond DNA. She made significant contributions to understanding the molecular structures of viruses and coal, showcasing her versatility and expertise in multiple fields of study. In conclusion, Rosalyn Franklin's legacy is not just in her scientific achievements but also in her resilience in a male-dominated field. Her story inspires future generations of scientists, especially women, to pursue their passions in the face of challenges.
In this lecture, I am thrilled to discuss the evolution of renewable energy and its critical role in shaping a sustainable future. Our journey towards renewable energy sources marks a significant shift in how we approach environmental sustainability and energy consumption. Renewable energy, derived from natural processes that are constantly replenished, includes solar, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal power. Unlike fossil fuels, these energy sources emit little to no greenhouse gases, making them crucial in combating climate change. For example, solar panels convert sunlight into electricity without pollution, offering a clean alternative to traditional energy sources. The shift to renewable energy is not just an environmental imperative but also an economic opportunity. The renewable energy sector is rapidly growing, creating jobs, and driving technological innovation. It's a pathway to a more sustainable economy and energy independence. The evolution of renewable energy represents a pivotal moment in our history.
In today's lecture, I'm delighted to take you back in time to explore the historical impact of the Silk Road. This ancient network of trade routes not only facilitated the exchange of goods but also acted as a bridge between civilizations, cultures, and ideas. The Silk Road, spanning from China to the Mediterranean, was instrumental in the trade of precious goods like silk, spices, tea, and gold. However, its significance extends beyond commerce. It was a conduit for cultural exchange, allowing for the movement of philosophies, religions, and even artistic styles across continents. This cross-cultural interaction played a crucial role in the development of the societies it connected. For example, the Silk Road facilitated the spread of Buddhism from India to East Asia and brought Chinese inventions like paper and gunpowder to the West. The legacy of the Silk Road is a testament to the power of connectivity and exchange.